Can I get one Modelo and the pineapple?
White Claw?
Yep.
You got it.
Thank you so much.
Of course. All right. Total's gonna be $12.
Thank you so much. Are you camera shy?
No.
Nope.
Not at all.
Not at all? All right, good.
You have to find her TikTok.
Sunday, July 17th, 2022. Taking my beautiful wife for a nice little ride on a Sunday morning. Let's go. 2019 Street Glide with the Stage 3 Samson exhaust. Let's get a cold start in. Cheapest gas in San Diego County, $5.34 premium. Another day, man. I was gonna hit you up, man, but I wasn't sure I was gonna hit you. Oh, no worries, no worries. Yeah. All right. How's it going, man?
Hey, Magoo, it's George. George, that's Amador. That's Foggy.
Nice to meet you.
You must be married.
Yeah.
Look how clean that hog looks. Get out there in spare time, but you ain't doing nothing now.
Yeah. So what's up? It's my boy Ray right here. Hey Ray, tell us a little bit about your bike.
04 Road King.
Okay.
The DNA fast spoke wheels, 21 in the front.
Oh hell yeah, very nice, man.
Keep that Chicano Vicla look.
Dope,
Old
dope.
school vintage.
So how long you had this bike for?
About a year.
About a year? Hell yeah.
Love to get on that thing, man.
Wow, check this out. You don't see this much. So how you like those beach bars, man?
Beach bars are the way, boy. Beach bar mafia.
Yeah, hell yeah. Dude, look at you, boy, all patched up. Oh, damn, look at that, hell yeah.
It's devil time, fool.
Which was your favorite patch, bro?
Oh, come on, man. Right here, this one right here.
Damn, look at that.
Gotta represent.
Yeah. Oh shit, you got Tupac on there?
Woo woo.
Hell yeah, man. Looking fresh, boy, looking fresh.
Tupac on alcohol.
So we're heading to the hideout?
JOSIES for a little bit.
Nice,
Get
nice.
A little something to eat.
Yup.
Nice little Sunday ride.
Hell yeah.
Family, baby. That's how you make family.
Right on, big dog, right on. Hell yeah.
brothers, Benny and Benny Jr. They came from Davidson, Mega, so they came from 79.
Oh, hell yeah. Nice. Hell yeah.
That's right, going that way, huh?
It is, bro. It is. How's it right, baby?
I think I bring my cigars.
Yeah? You ain't too warm? That's good. Not yet? All right. Go get your beer. Cool you down right now.
Okay, perfecto. Okay. Okay.
Huh? I know.
Okay, bye.
Holding it the whole time.
Yup. Oh, it's Modelo time.
Damn, look at that Raider Nation.
Is it Modelo time, Pooh?
Almost.
Is it Modelo time, Pooh? Can I get one Modelo and the pineapple?
White Claw?
Yep.
You got it.
Thank you so much.
That's what giving this town lots to talk about. They don't know that it moves and stop. People say I'm not a hit rock hard, just cause I'm living on the road. It's a broken hearted drinking problem. Put another bottle off the wall. People say I got a drinking problem, but I got no problem drinking it all. People talking and they're drawing conclusions. It's a broken hearted drinking problem. Another bottle on the wall. People say I got a drinking problem, but I got no problem drinking it.
What's your name, my boy? What's your name?
Tim.
Tim what?
Tim Riverboat.
You like Metallica?
I love Metallica.
What's your favorite song, my boy?
Enter Sandman.
Yeah! Enter the Sandman. That's my favorite song too.
Nice.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Right on his Insanity.
That's right. Good.
Yeah, baby.
What kind of motorcycle do you ride? Just like.
Ducati.
Ducati. Right. How you like it? Just like.
Love it.
Love it. Yeah, boy. Good. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
Those strawberries?
video. Make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you on the next video.